So I just got back home and here it is. It looks amazing. Okay? What did I tell you? Amazing. Didn't do anything to it. Didn't do anything to it. All I did was use that Italian seasoning. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. Okay. So this, you guys look. You ready? That's what you want. Okay. You want to be able to just push into this. Okay. And it just crumble. It just, okay. That's how you know your bird is cooked to perfection. It just, see, look, even this one is even better. But this is just an example. Okay. That's what you want your bird to do. Okay. If your bird isn't just crumbling, okay, there we go. I was hitting right in the middle of the bone. If if your bird ain't falling apart, something ain't right. Okay? Something ain't right. Ooh, goodness. Something ain't right. Now, I would like take all these bones and whatnot out. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not. That's just being honest. I'm not about to do that. I am about to taste these rice and beans though. Pretty bird. That's gonna be so good. I mean, it is really good. Look at my eye. Just trying to. That's that mucus getting up out of me. Mucus, be gone. Okay. So, I just wanted to show you guys that the bird is beautiful. So, the last thing I have to make is the biscuits. So, I'm gonna get all prepped for that. I gotta get my bowl, I gotta get my bread, I gotta get the milk, I gotta get the flour, and blah 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 blah. So, I might record that. I don't know. But if I don't, I'll just do a little short when it's done.